What's up, you guys? Good morning. Today is November 30th. It's Monday, and I just pulled out the camera and I'm just gonna have like a random vlog today. So that's basically what you guys will see from me. It's just like random vlogs of my day. During the week the kids are at school, so I'm at home all day, so y'all be with me most of the time. So you guys are gonna be getting pretty like genuine raw content for me. We're in the middle of this pandemic. So much has gone wrong for me, so y'all gonna see me come about this struggle, and we're gonna trust the process. But I thought vlogging would be a really good time for me. Just get these vlogs in, you know, introduce this content to my channel permanently, and you know, so y'all can get to know me better, get to know my kids, and we'll see how that goes. So right now I'm about to take a nap. I had a late night, so I mustered up enough energy to get the kids ready for school this morning, but I'm gonna take like a little hour nap and then try to conquer the rest of the day. So I have to make the intro for these vlogs and a banner for my channel, and I also need to do some mommy duties, you know, cleaning up and stuff. So that's what the day's gonna consist of. So hopefully I don't bore you guys too much, but I hope we enjoy the rest of my day. So right now it is currently 9:35. So at 10:35 I should be back up and hustling and bustling and getting things done. So, but I need this nap. Like, it's like a cat nap, energy boost nap, something. That's what we're doing right now, and the rest of the day should be quite productive. So I'll see you after my nap. I'm so tired. Hey guys, so it's like 1 something. I woke up so late. So right now I just started cooking because so the kids will have food when they get home. So I'm making some beef tips, some stew meat, and we're gonna have beef tips over rice, beef tips and gravy over rice with cornbread. And what else? I usually do macaroni, but I don't think I have macaroni. Damn. I usually do macaroni. We'll just do like mashed potatoes. Yeah, we'll just do mashed potatoes and cornbread. Kind of started dabbling into cooking once this coronavirus crap started, and so because I don't like my kids asking for no McDonald's and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking, and I have to finish everything else that I had planned for today. So I think it's possible to do everything I need to do today. I'm just gonna have to like really on top of my shit. My face looks so bad. My eyeshadow from yesterday stained my eyes, so excuse that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cook. Okay, so right now I'm headed to go pick up the children from school, and this camera is sliding on this dashboard. So, luckily, like right around the corner from the house. So my nieces and my kids and one of my little cousins, they all go to the same school. But I'm just gonna pick up my nieces and my kids. So I was trying to help her finish cooking because I had to put the cornbread in the oven or whatever, so that the food would be ready once they get out of school. But the cornbread gonna be a little minute, so they're gonna have to wait on it. But I went to the store earlier, but I forgot to bring my camera, so that's why y'all didn't get to see none of that. But it wasn't anything special. Just went to get like some paper goods from the store, like paper plates, plastic cups, and stuff like that. So it's actually 3:40 something right now. I should already been at the school, so I'm trying to hurry up and get my nieces before, because I have to get my nieces. I have to get my nieces. I have to get my nieces before. I'm sorry. I have to get my nieces at the front of the school, and then I go to the back of the school and pick up my kids because they send my son to the back since my daughter's in kindergarten. I'm sorry that I'm out of focus, but just it's bouncing everywhere. But you thought no. So I'm like kind of crunch for time because at 3:50 they're gonna move my kids to the front, and I'm gonna be pissed if I get back there they're not back there. So I'm trying to move through this line so I can get them and then get my kids too. I just saw my cousin. She's picking up my little cousin that goes here. So I feel like this line's gonna take too long, and they're gonna move my kids to the front, and I'll have to come right back up here. I'm gonna be pissed if I have to do that. But I think they moved them at 3:50, so I have like 6 minutes, which I think it shouldn't take that long to get them because I'm almost at the front of this line. So y'all will see the kids get in the car in a minute. I guess right now is a good time to just chat with you guys, but like, I don't know why the lighting is acting like this, because the setting that I have my camera on, it should be like compensating for any lack of light, but it's not. Anyways, so the vlogs y'all gonna see from me are gonna be like just regular vlogs. They're gonna be kind of short. I did want to mention that they're gonna probably be short vlogs because currently I don't get a lot of watch time on my channel, so I don't like feel like I should make long vlogs that people probably won't watch. So the vlog is gonna be short and to the point. I'll try not to bore y'all too much, and I think I mentioned this earlier today, but like, you know, once this pandemic hit, it was like one of the worst things for me this year. So I know that the last time y'all saw me, I was in my own place. I was in my apartment, but my lease ended and I had stopped working right before Corona started. So, and I haven't gone back to work because the kids had to stay home. They finally went back to school or whatever. And I'm trying to go to school too. So I feel like it was a good time for me to just go to school because I moved back in to my mom's house, and I feel like it's a good time to go ahead and go to school because it's hard to go to school whenever you're like paying for all these bills. So you gotta work and go to school. So while I'm not working, it's just a good idea for me to go ahead and knock school out so that I can set myself up for greatness. So that's what the plan is so far. So y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see me come up out this struggle, okay? Just be along with me for this journey or whatever. So I gotta hang up this sign, so I'm gonna move y'all.
Emily.
And you're Addison, and y'all are twins.
Yeah. How do you hold a camera?
It's my camera. I've been had this camera.
Turn around. I sit. Do the thing.
Tell me, do y'all see Aiden and Annalie over there?
I see them.
You see them? Where? No, you don't.
Second book.
So we got the twins. Now we're in the back of the school getting my kids.
Anna.
Yes, Aiden and Anna. No, for real though, I'm gonna ask them, can they send all of y'all to the front? Cause shoot. Hi guys.
Hi Ariel.
Thank you. Say to Anna, get your feet in, girl. Here, let Anna get in the car. Thank you.
She said, can you tell Ariel that I said hi?
Did you have a good day at school? Yeah. Everybody buckle up, please.
Mom, one of the twins went to
one of y'all went to yeah, one of y'all went to computer.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it was one of y'all went to I think.
Oh, you're making a video?
Yeah, we're vlogging.
Hi guys.
Buckle up, please. We don't want a ticket. Buckle up.
Thanks, Mom. This is the best video ever. I didn't know. You surprised us.
How?
We didn't know that. I was looking to my daddy. I had a good day today.
You gonna tell your daddy?
Because it was 10, and we thought it was another number. Me and Addie.
Why do you sound like you're congested? You know, stuffy?
10:41. No, I was outside today.
Outside? It's cold. They got you outside.
Yes.
When it's not rain, when it's not
And
when it's not.
I hope nobody's sick. And she. And Cairo D.
Well, we're gonna give you some medicine when we get to the house. Guess what I made y'all for dinner?
What?
Yes.
Beef tips.
This.
Beef tips and gravy over rice with the cornbread.
Hello.
Should I make some? I was gonna make some mashed potatoes too and green beans, but if not, we can just do the cornbread. Yeah, because that's what. Hey guys, so it's kind of loud because the kids are playing hide and seek right now. But we had dinner, it's good, and so now they're playing. Oh, come here, Lonnie. You okay? Come here. You okay? Because Lonnie didn't say hi today. Say hi, Lonnie. What? Lonnie, come here. Okay, go play.
Hi.
Wait. Say hi.
Hey, hi.
What's your name? Alani.
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 Yay.
My next vlog will probably be me like introducing each kid. I think I'm gonna dedicate a video for each kid, introducing them. Like meet this kid, meet this kid, meet this kid, and just like little background info on them, because I am trying to have like a family channel also, and I'm not sure if I'm going to just add family vlogs to this channel or like extend and have like a new channel that's just family vlogging. So we're gonna try it out here on this channel. If it does well, then I'll probably do a separate channel, but if not, we'll just keep them right here on the AshleySavoi channel. So right now I am on my laptop and I'm about to make my intro and my I'm on the phone with my other YouTube friends who I love so much. We have such like a good friendship. We've never even met. I met one of them, but anyways, talk all the time about YouTube and stuff, so, and just about life. But I'm gonna get on here and make a banner and an intro, and so yeah, the rest of my night is probably gonna go pretty smoothly. The kids go to bed around 8:30 right now. It is 5:52, so almost 6 o'clock. I'm gonna just probably pick up a little bit and just chill, maybe watch some Netflix. I have a friend that wants to hang out, so we'll see about that. And yeah, if I feel like I need to come back up on this vlog, I will. Probably just show you my process. I have some other videos I need to get out, so you know, I'm just trying to be on top of my stuff. And yeah, so just a little update, because I know I haven't talked to y'all in a couple hours.